Hey, in this video, we're gonna review the tool called outrank from outrank.so and see whether it's worth it or not, compare it with other tools, and check whether the tool lives up to its expectations. So the first thing you want to know about outrank is that it starts at $99 a month. Even though it says that it has a free trial, in actual fact, that trial is not free. It costs $1. Now, regarding the features outrank has, it provides 30 articles a month that are automatically published to your site. It also claims to handle keyword research and, most importantly, provide backlinks automatically to your site through a backlink exchange network. Now, one thing worth mentioning is outrank supports multiple platforms such as WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, and Framer. The list is not actually that long. It has 10 platforms in total. Next.js is not really a platform. It's the same as a webhook, but this gives you an idea of whether your site is compatible or not with outrank. A few CMS that are missing from this list are any headless CMS such as Contentful, Strappy, things like Shopware, Joomla, HubSpot, and many others. Now, regarding the platform, it looks just like that. So when you connect to the platform, you get a content calendar like that. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that the UI is not very pretty, quite simple, even with very high contrast and quite hard to read what's going on here. But basically, you get one article a day, just like that. And when the day comes, the article gets generated. Now, one thing the tool doesn't do very well is the customization for these articles that are coming is very limited. You can add more keywords by dropping a list here, but then that's pretty much it. The stored keyword over there list is not filled in automatically. And so if we go see the actual content it crafts, it's quite basic. So for the image, just a text on a random background. Here was supposed to be SEO related keyword. The images are quite bad for the price, in my opinion, and the content is not that well optimized. We can also, go test on an AI detector. So as you can see, the article is quite lengthy. And if I copy the content over there and I paste it in an AI detector like 0GPT, let's see what we get. We get like around 40% detected as AI. So overall quite low quality content. And so if we go to the backlink exchange, the backlink exchange is not very well documented. While it is one of the most valuable features of the tool, it doesn't document the process in place to avoid making it flagged as spam from Google spam policy. So it's even mentioned, I think, in their terms of service that there is a high risk that your site could get, flagged for spam. The backlink, is not guaranteed to not get you banned. So no refund policy for it. So yeah, outrank, the backlink feature is pretty good. As you saw on the their landing page there, they claim that it increased your domain rating quite steadily over time, and I believe that is the case, but that doesn't mean that this will convert necessarily into organic traffic. Now, let's talk about an alternative to outrank, which is better, slightly cheaper, and deliver the same kind of features as outrank. I'm talking about BlogSEO on blogseo.io. So if you go to this tool website, you have a comprehensive comparison over here, and so you can see here that outrank compared to BlogSEO basically has the same features, except that the keyword research from BlogSEO is much more comprehensive, and the analytics inside outrank, we don't even see it on the platform, was quite limited, while BlogSEO has a comprehensive analytics available, which I'm going to show right after. So as you can see, the feature from the two tools are very similar. BlogSEO supports a lot more integrations than outrank, such as HubSpot, Squarespace. The Framer plugin as well is better. Hosted blogs, Go High Level, Bloggers, Rapid, Contentful. All of these are not available on outrank, but are available on BlogSEO. So just worth considering if you have a website that's not supported by outrank. One thing worth mentioning as well is that BlogSEO offers a lower price plan starting at $59 a month, where you get the same number of backlinks as the main offer at $97 a month, which outrank charge for $99 a month. Now, one thing that is also worth considering, as you saw when we were benchmarking outrank, the images were quite low quality, and that's because they have an upsell add-on at $49 a month that is not included in your base plan at $99 a month. So you need to pay an additional $49 a month to get high quality images, while BlogSEO included in its base price, and it's the same for the lower price option of $59 a month. So overall, feature to feature comparison, BlogSEO reaches feature parity with outrank, but it uses a more advanced model like the latest Claude Fable 5, GPT 5.5 in deep thinking mode, uses higher quality image models as well like Nano Banana 2.0, and also include the backlink automation with a very large network of websites around 600, and it's growing by 30% every month, while outrank's network is only growing by 5% every month. So that gives you an idea of side-by-side comparison. One more thing you might want to consider is that the rating on Trustpilot is much higher for BlogSEO than for outrank, 4.6 for BlogSEO, 4.0 for outrank. BlogSEO also has advanced technicalities that make its backlink network algorithm outperforming outrank's, because it uses research-based techniques to ensure the resulting backlink network has higher graph sparsity, and so that it's not a dense network that's going to be flagged as spam by Google. So the risk of using BlogSEO's backlink network is also much lower than using outrank. Now, regarding the platform for what BlogSEO is right now, I'm on an account from an AI compliance tool called Naltilia. As you can see, they're on the $59 a month plan, so they have one article every 2 days. Each article is targeting a specific keyword and can be easily customized by adding more keywords if needed, or selecting within a list of existing keywords that is automatically found by our AI. Now, regarding the backlinks, BlogSEO's backlinks are prioritized through contextual relevance. So it's not pure DR farming, and the DR does increase over time. That website started at almost 0, now it's at 31 in just a few months. But I also try and make sure the backlink being inserted is contextually relevant for the site that is being, that's getting the link. So you can also check the link on the website, and you can find it in the body of the article. And so this drives your domain rating over time. The analytics tool as well is much more advanced than what outrank provides. You get the distribution of your keyword position over time, your organic traffic and impressions over time, domain rating over time, and the number of index pages as well. And AI visibility is coming soon. And yeah, you can also check a lot more features, like we do have rank tracking over time. You get advanced details regarding each keyword as well. So overall, it's a much more comprehensive tool. It also writes higher quality articles. As you can see, the image are better quality, higher resolution as well, compared to what we have on outrank. It also handles internal linking, has stable, and you can publish in one click or download the content in many different formats. So overall, BlogSEO, to summarize, provides the same features, if not more features than outrank at a lower price, because the side-by-side comparison with the image upsell would be 150 versus $97 a month, and you can even get lower by taking the downsell at $59 a month and get the backlink feature, which is much higher quality in terms of the engineering behind than what outrank provides. So the tool has an actual free trial. You can start for free for 3 days without paying $1 like for outrank, and give it a go to see if you like the quality of the article. So hopefully you can check it out for your site, and you'll be able to get results in a few months for your SEO.